Brake noise. What's normal? What's abnormal? And what should you do to prevent it? We're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Nissan, innovation that excites. Visit partsadvantage.nissanusa.com for more information.
If a customer comes in complaining of brake noise, it is very important that you classify the brake noise and understand when it's happening on the vehicle. This can give the technician a starting point on how to duplicate the noise and then hopefully solve it. Let's talk about squeak noise when the brakes are cold. This usually occurs on the first few stops in the morning. Well, this is a normal condition. But if the brakes are at normal operating temperature and they are squeaking, it could be an issue with a couple of things. It could be an issue with the hardware and how the brakes are interacting with the brake rotor. You need to do a thorough inspection to see if anything's seized or there's any problems with the brake pads and abnormal wear. But there's a difference between a squeak and a squeal. If there's a loud, continuous squeal coming from the brakes, this is typically the brake pad wear indicator on the inboard shoe on the brake system. This is a sign that the friction material has worn past its minimum wear specification and they need replacement. If the customer is complaining about a groan noise after they slightly release the brake pedal after coming to a stop, this is what's known as creep groan, and this is absolutely normal. If the customer is reporting a single clunk noise when they first apply the brakes, this is just simply the brake pad shifting inside the caliper bracket due to the rotation of the rotor. This can be duplicated by lightly touching the brake pedal, but it may not happen if you press the pedal hard. To make sure that this noise is normal, check the brakes. Make sure that the hardware, the springs, the clips, and also the shims are correctly installed on the brake pads. If the customer is reporting multiple clunks when they are first starting the vehicle or once the vehicles reach 5 miles an hour, this is absolutely normal. What it is? Well, it's the ABS doing a self-check to make sure that it has pressure and all the sensors are properly working. Tell the customer and even show them some TSBs on this phenomenon. This is absolutely normal. If the customer is reporting a rear brake squeal, this could be accumulations of dust, dirt, and other particles from the pads or shoes that have built up inside the drums for the parking brake. It is important to clean all the dust and dirt from the brake shoes and just make sure that everything is very clean and that when they were installed, you did not get any brake lubricants or grease on the friction material surfaces. One of the most helpful things to prevent brake noise and catch it before the customer does is to perform a test drive where you're burnishing the new friction materials. So there you have it. Every time a customer comes into your shop, make sure that you interview them. Find out the type of brake noise they're experiencing and when they're experiencing that brake noise. And if you're replacing those friction materials, make sure that you go on a test drive to properly burnish those friction materials to the new rotor surfaces. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.